Welcome to this week's episode. We're gonna be building a lamp. So how did we get here? I was looking at Thingiverse and I found this really cool heart with special effects on it, and when light goes through it, it makes some really cool reflections on the ceiling, as you guys can see in the video. So for this project, we're gonna need an IKEA glass dome, as you can see on the video, and we're also gonna need a pixel ring from Adafruit. The first thing we need to do is actually get our heart 3D printed. The heart that I chose, it's a project called Heartlight. It's in Thingiverse. You guys can see me loading it on the screen. It's got some really cool shapes instead of being, a full heart. And when the light goes through those shapes, it makes some really cool light reflections on the ceiling. So I put my 3D printer printing this. It takes a long time. Doing the two parts of the heart, I would say took around 6 to 7 hours, but it is worth it. After it finishes printing, it's time to clean up the heart. For this, you can use a knife, you can use an X-cut, or you can also, in certain parts, use a Dremel tool, if you have it. I use the mix of all of them. After this, it's time to solder the neopixel ring. You need to pick a small microcontroller that fits in the base that we're going to 3D print to use in this object. The base is something very simple with 3 holes, as you can see on the screen, so that the wires go through it and the neopixel ring sits on top of this base with the controller hidden underneath. In my case, I chose a Wemo D1 Mini that looks as you can see, and this is how the neopixel ring sits on the base. I did a small cut for the USB cable to go through, and this is how it looks finalized.